are welcome to my channel. Let's decolorize palm oil and make washing soap. We need a digital scale. Watch to the end and tell me how long this soap should be left for curing. Palm oil to 150 grams. Sulphonic acid 30 ml. Hydrogen peroxide 15 ml. Measuring syringe. Bowl. Weigh 250 grams palm oil. Notice the oil color. I decided to use measuring spoon, 15 ml. Add 15 ml hydrogen peroxide. Add 30 ml sulphonic acid. Start stirring. Stir for some minutes. Keep stirring to enhance decoloration. Notice the color change. Weigh 50 grams caustic soda. Weight of plate, 10 grams. Keep adding caustic to 60 grams. Weight of cup, 20 grams. Water, 119 grams. Dissolve 50 grams caustic soda in 119 grams water. Stir to release heat. change after 30 minutes. Add lye solution to the bleach oil and stir. Stir gradually initially. Keep stirring to mix properly. Stir until you have an even consistency. Please like this video. Share please. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Turn on your post notification please. The mixing bowl as a mold also. I would like to read from you. Please drop your comments. Add fragrance. 10 ml optional. Mix very well. Looks so nice. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, please. Like and share please. Dress the bowl and leave for some hours. Wait till the end for beautiful product. Multiply measurements for commercial purpose. After 3 hours, unmold the soap and allow to cure for 3 weeks before use. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video.